Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm so excited today. If you haven't been able to tell by the title and by the picture, I'm gonna be making a Kit Kat cake. Now, this cake is not my original recipe. I got this recipe from my friend Vanessa. If you don't know who I'm talking about, go back and look at my birthday vlog. She's on there. She's the one who I said was getting payback. That's her. She is the creator of this cake. She created this cake a few years ago and she hasn't really made it in a while, but she used to always make this cake for so many people. And I was like, you know what? Let me pay homage to the goat, like for her birthday. Let me make her own, my rendition of her own cake. Her colors were black and gold, so I made a black and gold version of it for her birthday. And it's a surprise, she doesn't know. And come to find out, the cake that she was getting like kind of like got canceled or something. So it actually works out because her boyfriend doesn't know that I did this either. So it's gonna be like a surprise for both of them when they come out in the club, like with the bottles and stuff, because we're going out to the club. The bottles and stuff, yeah, they're gonna have the cake with the sparklers too. So it's really exciting. I love this girl. She's one of my bestest friends. We've known each other for I can't count how many years now. If you think I can cook and I can bake, this girl throws down. Like, she's even like a part-time caterer sometimes if you hire her. Like, we've shared so many food conversations, ideas, recipes. I've sat in this girl's kitchen and just been like in awe. So I'm so excited to pay homage to her with this. Vanessa, if you're watching this, I hope that you love it. This is for you. If you want to see how to make this cake or my rendition of this cake, stay tuned. And if you want to see the cake in the club when it was all done and everything, stay tuned to the end because you'll see with like the sparklers and her candles and all that kind of stuff all on it. So let's get into it.